Hey guys, welcome to my Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a delicious Easter bun. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell to get notified when I upload my contents. All that I'll be using to make this delicious Easter bun will be listed down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and get the full ingredients.
Java Beats exclusive.
Now here's all my ingredients that I'll be using to make my Easter bun. You'll be needing some ginger powder, some cinnamon powder, some mixed spice. You'll be needing some molasses. You'll be needing some vanilla, some rose water. You'll be also needing some browning. You'll be using some Guinness. You'll be needing half cup of mixed fruits. You'll be needing 2 eggs. You'll be needing some butter, some salt. Also, you're gonna need some baking powder. Also, you're gonna need your all-purpose flour. You'll be using some honey, some guava jam, and also you're gonna need 1 cup of brown sugar, and also you'll be using some ground nutmeg. All the measurement for my ingredients will be listed down in the description box. Now you want to get yourself a small pot like this. You will be adding 2 cups of my Guinness to my pot. This is like 1 bottle of Guinness. Now I'm going in with my browning, a tablespoon. This is just gonna give that bun that color. I'm going in with my molasses. Now I'm going in with my vanilla. Teaspoon of vanilla. Also I'm going in my rose water. Teaspoon of rose water, guys. Now I'm going in with my jam. Tablespoon of my jam. This, guys. This jam is what's going to give it that lovely flavor. Also I'm going in with my butter. This. And also my brown sugar. Now you're going to put this on the stove and you're going to leave that butter and that guava jam to melt. Guys, you don't want your wet ingredients to boil. You just want to warm up your pot just to make your butter and that jam to melt. I'll get right back to you when that's all finished. Now here you have it, guys. After that 5 minutes, I'll leave it on the heat. All my butter and that guava jam that I just put in there, and that especially that brown sugar, is all melted out. Now you can turn off that stove. Now you're gonna sit this and leave it to cool. This, guys, for about half an hour. Guys, and also forgot to add my honey inside of that. I'm adding 1/4 cup of honey. Now that honey will just melt into my wet ingredients easily because it's all warm. Yes, guys. You just want to go ahead and stir that honey into your wet ingredients. And as I said before, guys, you're going to leave this for half an hour to cool before you start to add it to your dry ingredients. Just leave this right here to cool. Now in the meanwhile, I leave my wet ingredients to cool. You want to go ahead and get yourself a empty basin with your strainer where you will be sieving your flour. Yes, guys, and we're going in with 3 cups of all-purpose flour. To that now, I'll be adding my ginger powder. I'll be adding a tablespoon. Adding a teaspoon of ginger powder. So, guys, a teaspoon of my cinnamon powder, teaspoon of my mixed spice, and also a teaspoon of my nutmeg. So, guys, I just want to go ahead and give that a sieve now. So that, guys. Side. go ahead and mix this around now. I'm going in my baking powder. Guys, need that to mix now. Now I'm just gonna add my mixed fruits to my dry ingredients. Now guys, so I mix those around. Now you want to go in with your salt. Guys, I almost forgot my salt. Make sure you incorporate everything properly. Mix them properly, guys. And there you have it, guys. This is all mixed up. All my dry ingredients with that mixed fruits is all mixed together now. Let me make this flour. So guys, let me feel my wet ingredients. If it's cool, it's time to add my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients. I just want to go ahead and add that gradually. So like that, guys. I want to go ahead and get yourself this a wooden spoon. Just mix that around now. Guys, now you're gonna add some more of your wet ingredients. Incorporate everything together now, guys. Wet ingredients and that dry ingredients. You want to mix it properly. And the rest of your guys. You want to give this a properly stir now. Guys, if you have your cake mixer at home, you can also use that. Yes, guys, it's up to you. If you want to use a wooden spoon. Guys, if you're watching and you're not subscribed as yet, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. Put that notification bell on all so you can be notified when I upload my videos. I'm telling you guys, this Easter bun is gonna be perfect. I hope you guys give this one a try at home. Guys, look at that. Wow, that's how you want it to be runny. Just like. I think I'm gonna use my cake mixer now. Yes, guys. Now I'm going with my 2 eggs. Guys, wow, telling you, it smells so nice, guys. Look at that. That's what you want it to be. Your mixer to be runny, just like that, guys. Perfectly. Guys. In the meanwhile, now you just want to go ahead and preheat your oven on gas mark 4, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or at 177 Celsius. Yes, guys, depends on the type of stove you have at home. Just preheat that for about 6 minutes before you add your bun inside of that oven. Now here I have my baking tin where I'll be adding my mixture in. I'm ready to add my parchment paper and grease it. Yes, guys, I'm just gonna add that straight into that. And give it a taste. Wow. This guy's want to shake it. Make sure you get out those air bubbles out of it. I'll get right back to you guys when my oven is preheated. Now my oven is preheated and ready for my bun, but before I put it in, guys, I'm just gonna add some raisin on the top of it. Just give it a little garnish. Time to put it into the oven now. Guys, you just want to add that straight into your oven. Place it right into the middle. Leave your bun for an hour to bake, and I'll get right back to you guys. Now in the meanwhile my bun is baking in the oven, now you want to go ahead and get back that same small pot that you used before and add that to a low medium heat. Yes guys, I'll be adding a teaspoon of butter to that and also a teaspoon of my guava jam. Yes guys, I'm making that glaze for the top of my bun. So now I'm going in with my honey, teaspoon of my honey. So that guys, and you want to make sure you want to stir that. Just like that guys. Make sure everything melts. Now look at that guys. Everything is all melted and mixed it together. Yes guys. Butter, my honey, and that guava jam. Yes guys, I'm telling you, it smells so nice guys. Now I can turn this off and leave it to cool until my bun is finished baking. I will just glaze the top of it with it. Yes guys. Get right back. Now here is my bun. I've removed it from the oven. Yes guys. Now I'm just gonna glaze it. Till you finish glazing it guys, you're just gonna leave it to cool for about half an hour. I'll get right back to you guys when this is all cooled. Now look at that guys. Telling you, Easter bun is looking so delicious, especially with that glaze on top of it. I remove it from my baking tin guys because it's all cool. This is how you want to bake your Easter bun for this Easter with all those lovely ingredients that I show you. I can't wait to have a slice of it with some cheese. Thanks for watching my Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit me up in the comment section guys. Give me your opinion on this Easter bun when you give it a try at home. Until next time, thanks for watching.